Good morning, student. Today we will study a new point, that is issue of debentures as collateral security. I have told you already that company has to take loan from banks of or various financial institutions or by way of issue of debentures for their professional needs. Sometimes when a company takes a loan from a bank or from some other party, the company may have to issue debentures as a secondary security or collateral security. So this time the company issues to that financial institution the debentures as collateral security. Collateral security means, as given here, secondary security in addition to the principal security. The bank or the other persons to whom such debentures are issued as collateral security will not be entitled to any interest on these debentures. They are entitled to get interest on the original loan advanced by them. Okay, so collateral security means additional security which is given in support to principal security for taking loan from the bank or other financial institutions. Understood? When the lending institution, that is the bank or the financial institution which is giving loan to the company, feels that primary security is not enough to cover the risk, then they demand additional security, that is collateral security. So in such situation, company issues its own debentures to that financial institution. Okay, so these debentures are known as debentures issued as collateral security. If company fails to pay the interest or principal amount, the lender will first realize the debts from principal security, but if principal security is not sufficient, then the bank or financial institution, that is the lender, may claim all the rights of the debenture holder as a debenture holder, because that the debentures are given as collateral security to them. When debentures are given as collateral securities, they are not entitled, that the bank is not entitled to get interest on these debentures. Keep this in mind. Okay, now we will study the two methods of dealing with such debentures in the books of accounts of the company. See, this is the first method. In this first method, no entry need to be passed in the books of the company, as the debentures are not actually issued but only given away as collateral security. When this first method is followed by the company, there will not be any entry passed in the books of accounts. As such, under this method, entry is passed only for taking a loan and not for giving collateral security. Okay, so this is the first method. For loan taken, the company passes the entry, that is bank account debit to bank loan account. Okay, see here one example is given. Suppose ABC Limited obtained a long-term loan of rupees 6 lakhs from HDFC Bank, issued 5,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each as a collateral security. Then it will be shown in the balance sheet as under equity and liabilities, non-current liabilities. त्याच्यामध्ये लॉंग टर्म बॉरोइंग्स means long term loan taken is shown rupees 6 lakhs, and in notes to accounts, long term borrowings loan from HDFC Bank 6 lakhs. Detailed information is given in the bracket. Secured by issue of 5,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 such as collateral security. Okay, हे लॉंग टर्मसाठी घेतलं तर, आणि शॉर्ट टर्मसाठी जर लोन घेतलं तर शॉर्ट टर्म बॉरोइंग्स हे करंट लायबिलिटीजमध्ये दिसतात. त्या ठिकाणी ते मेन्शन केले जातील बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये. कोणतीही जर्नल एंट्री कोलॅटरल सिक्युरिटी दिल्यासाठी पास होणार नाही. फक्त लोन घेतल्याचे जर्नल एंट्री बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्समध्ये पास होईल, ॲज आय टोल्ड यू. अँड दॅट एंट्री विल बी बँक अकाउंट डेबिट टू बँक लोन अकाउंट. अंडरस्टूड? So in first method, no entry will be passed for collateral security. बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये कसं दाखवलं जातं ते मी तुम्हाला दाखवलं या ठिकाणी. बॅलन्स शीट ज्या वेळेला आपण शिकणार आहोत त्यावेळेला हे जास्त डिटेल तुम्हाला कळेल. बिकॉज in next topic we will study the financial statements of the company, that is balance sheet, that includes balance sheet also. Okay. जर लॉंग टर्म लोन असेल तर लॉंग टर्म बॉरोइंग्समध्ये दिसेल, शॉर्ट टर्म लोन असेल तर शॉर्ट टर्म बॉरोइंग्समध्ये दिसेल, आणि नोट्स टू अकाउंट्समध्ये डिटेलमध्ये लिहिलेलं असेल की कोलॅटरल सिक्युरिटी दिलेली आहे वगैरे. नाव द सेकंड मेथड. इन दिस मेथड द एंट्री फॉर इश्युइंग डिबेंचर्स ॲज collateral security is also recorded. Means first they will pass the entry of taking loan, that is bank account debit to bank loan account, which is not given here, and then they will pass the entry for issuing the debentures as collateral security. The entry will be debenture suspense account debit to debentures account. Okay, and when the loan is repaid, then the above entry is cancelled by means of reverse entry. After the payment of loan, this entry will be reversed. Understood? So these two entries will be passed in second method if second method is followed by the company for the debentures issued as collateral security. In second method, accounting treatment in the balance sheet will be as follows. Again, the example of long term loan taken from HDFC Bank. See, again in equity and liabilities, long term borrowings 6 lakhs, and in notes to accounts, first they will show loan from HDFC Bank 6 lakhs, and then 5,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 is issued as collateral securities 5 lakhs, less debenture suspense 5 lakhs. So amount is nil in outer column. Okay, let's study this example now. X Limited obtained a loan of rupees 4 lakhs from IDBI Bank. The company issued 5,009% debentures of rupees 100 each as a collateral security for the same. Show how these items will be presented in the balance sheet of the company. This will be for 1 mark. In first method, no journal entry will be passed for the debentures given as collateral security. Only the entry will be passed about loan, that is bank account debit to bank loan account rupees 4 lakhs. Okay, and in the balance sheet, in long term borrowings rupees 4 lakhs long term borrowings, and notes to accounts. In notes to accounts, long term borrowings, notes to accounts हे फायनान्शियल स्टेटमेंट्समध्ये जी हेडिंग्स असतात त्याची डिटेल काय आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये डिटेल हे दिलेलं असतं नोट्स टू अकाउंट्समध्ये. सो लॉंग टर्म बॉरोइंग्सच्या हेडिंगखाली फक्त बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये 4 lakhs रुपीज दिसतील, आणि त्या 4 lakhsची डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन नोट्स टू अकाउंट्समध्ये असेल. सो इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स, नोट्स गिवन फॉर दोज अकाउंट्स. ओके, सो बघा इथे लॉंग टर्म बॉरोइंग्समध्ये लोन फ्रॉम IDBI बँक 4 lakhs, आणि ब्रॅकेटमध्ये दिलेलं आहे secured by issue of 5,009% debentures of rupees 100 is as collateral security. Okay, no entry will be passed in first method for debentures given as collateral security. Only the entry on taking a loan will be passed in first method. Now in second method, they will pass the entry of loan taken, that is bank account debit to bank loan account first, and then they will pass the entry for issuing the debentures as collateral security as given here. The entry will be debenture suspense account debit to debentures account. Amount is 5 lakhs because 5,000 debentures of rupees 100 each means 5 lakhs. So this entry is for issuing the debentures as collateral security. But first you have to pass the entry of taking the loan also. Bank account debit 4 lakhs to bank loan account 4 lakhs. Okay, that is loan taken from bank, and this entry is for issuing the debentures as collateral security. Understood? Now बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये कसं दाखवलं जातं बघा, मगाच्याच प्रमाणे नॉन करंट लायबिलिटीजमध्ये लॉंग टर्म बॉरोइंग्स 4 lakhs दिसतील. जर या ठिकाणी प्रॉब्लेममध्ये शॉर्ट टर्म लोन आहे असं सांगितलेलं असतं तर इथे शॉर्ट टर्म बॉरोइंग झालं असतं आणि खालीसुद्धा नोट्स टू अकाउंट्समध्ये शॉर्ट टर्म बॉरोइंग झालं असतं. कळतंय? नोट्स टू अकाउंट्समध्ये ज्या वेळेला सस्पेन्स अकाउंट दाखवला जातो, डिबेंचर्स कोलॅटरल सिक्युरिटी म्हणून दिलेले असतात, त्यावेळेला लोन फ्रॉम IDBI बँक 4 lakhs दिसेल आणि 5009% डिबेंचर्सची अमाऊंट 5 lakhs इनर कॉलमला, लेस डिबेंचर्स सस्पेन्स 5 lakhs, आउटर कॉलमला नील. आउटर कॉलमला नील काय येतं आहे ते बघा, तर डिबेंचर हे सुद्धा कंपनीने घेतलेलं लोनच असतं, पण इथे ते डिबेंचर्स इश्यू केलेत अगेन्स्ट द लोन टेकन. बरोबर आहे, म्हणजे इन रियालिटी इट इज नॉट लोन, इट इज गिवन ॲज सिक्युरिटी. सो ते लोन म्हणून दिसलं नाही पाहिजे बॉरोइंग्समध्ये, म्हणून ते सस्पेन्स अकाउंटच्या अंडर दाखवलं जातं आणि आउटर कॉलमला नील येतं. ओके, नाव सी दिस एक्झाम्पल. डिबेंचर इश्यूड ॲज कोलॅटरल सिक्युरिटी हा पॉईंट अतिशय स्मॉल पॉईंट आहे आपल्या सिलेबसमधला. फक्त 1 मार्कला किंवा मॅक्झिमम 3 मार्क्सला तुम्हाला एंट्री पास करा म्हणून सांगितलं जातं. सो इट इज इझी. किंवा बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये दाखवा फक्त कसं लिहायचं आहे ते असं सांगितलं जातं. ओके, बाकी इतर काही मोठे प्रॉब्लेम्स याच्या बाबतीत सोडवायचे नाही आहेत. हा प्रॉब्लेम बघा. मेघनाथ लिमिटेड took a loan of rupees 1,20,000 from a bank and deposited 1,400 8% debentures of rupees 100 each as collateral security along with the primary security worth rupees 2 lakhs. Means Meghnath Limited took a loan from the bank and for that he has given primary security of rupees 2 lakhs. But other than this primary security, company has given a secondary security, that is collateral security of 1,400 800 debentures of rupees 100 each. Okay, company again they told us that first company took a loan of 1,20,000, then again company took a loan of rupees 80,000 after 2 months from a bank and deposited 1,000 8% debentures of rupees 100 each as collateral security. Record necessary journal entries. Okay, now when first loan is taken, we have to pass the entry, that is bank account debit to bank loan account 1,20,000, loan taken from bank secured against primary security worth rupees 2 lakhs and secondary, that is collateral security of rupees 1,40,000. This is the narration for loan taken. Then the entry of debentures issued. While taking first loan, they have issued 1,400 8% debentures of rupees 100 each as collateral security. So in 1,400 into 100 means 1,40,000. So entry will be debenture suspense account debit to 8% debentures account issued rupees 1,40,000 असेही तुम्ही लिहू शकता, किंवा इश्यू ऑफ 1,400 डिबेंचर्स ॲट रुपीज 100 इज ॲज कोलॅटरल सिक्युरिटी असंही तुम्ही लिहू शकता नॅरेशनमध्ये. ओके, हे फर्स्ट लोन आहे. त्याच्यानंतर त्यांनी सांगितले प्रॉब्लेममध्ये कंपनी टूक अगेन ए लोन ऑफ रुपीज 80,000. सो अगेन द एंट्री ऑफ लोन विल बी ॲज पर प्रिव्हियस एंट्री, दॅट इज बँक अकाउंट डेबिट टू बँक लोन अकाउंट 80,000 लोन टेकन. And next entry will be for issue of debentures as collateral security. Here they have issued 1,000 debentures of rupees 100 each as collateral security. So again the entry debenture suspense account debit to 8% debentures account 1 lakh. Okay, no entry will be passed for primary security in the books of account. Now in the balance sheet, see the balance sheet. Long term borrowings, total amount 1,20,000, first loan, second loan 80,000. So total loan is 2 lakhs, long term borrowings is 2 lakhs. And notes to accounts, total debentures issued for first loan worth rupees 1,40,000, for second loan worth rupees 1 lakh. So total debentures were 2,40,000. So 8% debentures 2,40,000, less debenture suspense 2,40,000, nil in outer column, and bank loan 2 lakhs. So total long term borrowings of the company 2 lakhs. Understood? In this way, we have to pass the journal entries when debentures will be given as collateral security by the company to the financial institution. This is a very minor point in our syllabus. That's all.